It is so big. It touches the sky. Is it a mountain? It is very tall.
It is not a mountain. It is a pyramid.
The sun is very hot. Drink your water.
Hello, my name is Mr. Brown.
The map is upside down. Now it is right.
Stay together and stay safe. The pyramid closes at 6.
Are there monsters inside? I am not scared. Today we see a pyramid. I will write it down. Look, a cat. She went inside. The air is cold. Hold my hand.
I have a big torch. Now we can see.
1, 2, 3. It is dark. It is cold in here.
The roof is very low.
The cat is here. I can see her eyes. Look at me, please. Stay with us. I want to. We know. Just hold on. 3 tunnels. Which one is ours?
The left tunnel goes up. The middle one is closed.
N. O. It says no entry. "20 steps up. Hold the wall." I can do it.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello. Hello. The room says hello back. It is an echo. There is no signal here. My phone does not work. I hear a cat. She is close.
These stones are very old. Look at this wall.
Look at this big stone box. It is empty.
Where is Jack? He was here. He is not here. The room is empty. Do not run. We must stay calm.
I will blow my whistle. Now everybody listen.
Kitty, where are you?
We go down the steps. Stay behind me.
The rope is on the floor. It was up before. Look, small shoes in the dust. He went in there.
It is 5 o'clock. We have 1 hour. The gate closes at 6. Then it is locked.
Which way now? They are all the same.
It is very narrow. I cannot stand up.
Hold my hand, Emma. Do not let go. I have orange chalk. I will draw an arrow. That is a very good idea. Now we can go back. I want my mom. I am a little scared.
The sand does not move. We cannot pass.
This is the wrong way. Follow my arrow back.
Walk back slowly. Do not hurry.
I fell down. The torch is out.
Everybody hold hands. Do not move.
Sorry, I dropped it. Now we have light again.
It is my fault. I did not watch him. It is nobody's fault. We are a team.
It is 5:30. We have 30 minutes.
Stay calm. Stay still.
I must get help. We go out now.
Please. One more tunnel.
We do not go without Jack. We stay and we look.
Stop shouting, please. We must listen.
Nobody move. Nobody talk.
That is a cat. I can hear her. Jack loves cats. Follow the cat. I am here. My name is Jack.
I hear character in image 2.
The cat is walking. She wants us to follow.
Listen. Tap, tap, tap. I can hear you. Tap, tap, tap.
3 taps. He is very close.
The cat went in there. It is a small crack.
Get down! We must crawl!
Look, a little light. I can see a room. Mom!
You are safe now. I have you.
I am sorry, Mum. I walked away alone.
Here is your water. Drink it all.
Follow my orange arrows. They show the way home.
Look, the door. I can see the sun.
The sun is warm. I like the sun.
It is 6 o'clock. The pyramid is closed.
Oops, I spilled my water. Now I am wet.
In a big place, we stay together. Together, we are safe.
If I am lost, I stay still. I call and I wait. We look, we listen, we wait. Then we find each other.
This cat lives here. She helped us today.
Goodbye, Biscuit. Thank you, little cat. Today we lost Jack.
Today we found Jack.